What is a mega masturbator? How does it differ from a normal pocket-sized masturbator? Is it suitable for beginners? Let's find out. A mega masturbator is not your standard size masturbator. These are large in size and are therefore not recommended for beginners and are recommended for more experienced users. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the mega masturbators from the Friend with Benefits collection, including our Ashley Rose Mega Masturbator, which is one of the most popular in this collection. The Friend with Benefits collection has 6 mega masturbators in their collection. So here we have the Ashley Rose Mega Masturbator. Now, as you can see, it has a lovely rose on the buttocks just here. It also has 2 openings, an anus opening and a vagina opening. And this is also with the 6 masturbators in the Friend with Benefits collection. They each have a vagina and an anus opening, making it even more exciting for you. The material is made of TPR, which is very soft and smooth, giving you a very comfortable feel during use, but it's also quite firm, so it stays grounded and it's very realistic looking and lifelike as well. With both the vagina and anus opening, the canals on the inside feature nubs and ribbing for extra penis stimulation during use, making it even more exciting for you. When using mega masturbators, we always recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other product videos and questions on our YouTube channel? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not write a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.